Hi, I'm Rajalakshmi, Physician Assistant Department. I'm happy to share my article, The Cell. Introduction. The cells are basic building blocks of our living things. The human body composed of trillions of cells. They provide structure for the body. Take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into the energy and carry out the specialized functions. The cell membrane. The cell membrane or plasmamembrane is thin semi-permeable membrane that surround the cytoplasm of the cell. It functions to protect the integrity of the interior of the cell by allowing the certain substance into the cell while keeping other substance out. It also serves as basic attachment for the cytoskeleton in some organisms and the cell wall in the others. Thus, the cell membrane also serves to help support the cell and help maintain its shape. Functions of cell membrane. They keep toxic substance out of the cell. They contain respiratory and channels of allow the specific molecules to pass between the organelles and between the cell and the outside environment such as ions, nutrients, waste and metabolic products. They separate the vital but incompatible metabolic process conducted within the organelles. Next, the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm generates a liquid that fills the inside of the cell. It composed of water, salt, and various organic molecules. Some intercellular organs, such as nucleus and mitochondria, and enclosed by membrane that separates from their form of cytoplasm. Next, the organelles. The organelles are permanent component of the cell which are containing enzymes. Hence, the practice in the cellular metabolism reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, centrosomes and the centrioles, mitochondria. Mitochondria are the membrane by bound cell organelles, mitochondria singular, that generate most of chemical energy power needed cells biochemical reactions. Chemical energy produced by mitochondria is stored in the small molecules called as adenosine triphosphate ATP chromosome, generally mitochondria, and therefore mitochondria DNA are inherited only from the mother. Functions of mitochondria. They are major sites for aerobic respiration. In addition to their roles as power generating units, the mitochondria may have a role in synthesizing protein since also process a DNA ribosome. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum ER. Essence, the transportation system of the eukaryotic cell has many other important functions such as protein folding. It is also type organelles made up of subunits. Rough endoplasmic reticulum RER and smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. The endoplasmic reticulum is found in most eukaryotic cells and forms the incorrected network flattened membrane enclosed sacs known as certain in RER and tubular structures in the SER. The membrane of the ER are continuously with the out nuclear membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is not found in red blood cells or spermatozoa. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum as stated above. Endoplasmic reticulum categorized into two types. ER performs the specific function. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum function. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum responds for the synthesis of essential liquid such as phospholipids and cholesterols. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum as started above. The endoplasmic reticulum categorized into two types and both these are types of ER perform the specific functions. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum function. Smooth ER is responsible for synthesis the essential liquid lipids as phospholipids and cholesterol. The smooth ER is also responsible for the production secretion of steroid hormones. It is also responsible for metabolism and carbohydrates. The smooth ER stored and release the calcium and ions. These are quite important for the nervous system and muscular system. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The majority functions of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the protein synthesis. The rough endoplasmic reticulum also plays the vital role in protein folding. Also ensure the quality control. Regrading correct protein folding. The second most important function after the protein synthesis and the protein folding is spotted Golgi apparatus. A Golgi body, also known as Golgi apparatus, is a cell organelle that helps the process and packaging the proteins and lipid molecule, especially the protein destined to the exported to form the cell. Named after the discoverer and Camillo Golgi, the Golgi body appears the series is stacked membrane. Functions of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is central intercellular membrane bounded on organelles with key functions in the traffic, the processing and the part of the newly synthesis the membrane and the secretory protein in lipids. To best form these functions, Golgi membranes from unique stacked structure. Ribosomes. A ribosome is an intracellular structure made up of both RNA and the protein. It is the site of the protein synthesis in the cell. The ribosome reads the messenger RNA, mRNA sequence and translates the genetic code into the specific string of amino acid, which grow into the long chain that fold the form proteins. Functions of ribosomes. It assembles into the amino acid to the form proteins which are required for the cellular functions. The process of DNA transcription results in the production of mRNA by DNA. The nucleus produces mRNA which is transported into the cytoplasm for the protein synthesis. The ribosomal subunits in the cytoplasm are encircled by mRNA polymers. The tRNA then produce the proteins. The protein synthesis in the cytoplasm are used within the cell, whereas protein synthesis by the bounded ribosomes transported outside the cell. Thank you all.